Looking for a new oven for your kitchen? Thermador should be a top choice on your list. They offer sleek design, unique cooking features, and are considerably less expensive than other high-end ovens from brands like Wolf and Miele. But with over 30 models to choose from, making the right selection can feel like a daunting task. So in this video, we'll give you everything you need to decide. Hi, I'm John Carey, co-founder at Designer Appliances, New Jersey, New York's premier appliance retailer. We're the only appliance store dedicated to bringing you tips and advice learned from our collective years helping customers just like you. Click subscribe to keep up the latest in appliance and design trends, or stop by one of our showrooms for in-person help. So, why should you consider Thermador for your kitchen? Thermador introduced the world's first wall oven in 1947 and has been refining their design ever since. In fact, recently their lineup was completely overhauled and now features a modern gray glass on stainless steel look. We really like the aesthetic of this new design. It gives you a high-end look without the bulkiness of other pro-style appliance brands. It's also not too modern to not fit into traditional kitchen designs. Overall, Thermador struck a perfect balance with this aesthetic. Also, the build quality of these ovens is solid and even includes soft closed doors. And now, for a limited time, Thermador offers you exclusive opportunities to earn free appliances when you purchase a full appliance package. When it comes to installation options, these ovens are very flexible and can be installed either flush or proud, with the trim slightly overhanging the cabinet. Performance-wise, in addition to standard bake, broil, and roast cooking modes, Thermador gives you True Convection for perfectly even cooking results. The fast preheat option gets the oven ready to go in as little as 7 minutes. We like to always have fresh cookies for our customers in our showrooms, and we frequently use the Thermador for this task. As you can see, the results speak for themselves. Picking the right Thermador oven comes down to 3 easy steps: selecting style, configuration, and features. The first step is to determine which style you prefer. Thermador gives you 2 unique design collections to choose from: Professional and Masterpiece. Don't get confused though, they both offer the same exact features and cooking functionality, with the only differences being the exterior design and the control style. When looking at model numbers, all Masterpiece ovens start with ME and Professional with PO. The bold and classic Professional collection offers prominent features like chrome accents, cast metal knobs, and professional style handles. This collection is ideal for those who want to make a statement in the kitchen. The Masterpiece collection incorporates a sleek, elegant, and modern approach. This beautifully integrated look, combined with contemporary stainless steel handles, blends seamlessly into any kitchen design. After getting a chance to use both designs live at our Bedminster showroom, I personally prefer the ease of use of the knobs of the Professional series versus the digital control panel of the Masterpiece. If you cook a lot, you'll definitely want to keep this in mind. The next step is choosing the right configuration. Thermador has a few different options to consider with the configuration of their ovens. For starters though, you'll need to know that all Thermador ovens are 30 inches wide. So if you're replacing a 27 inch, or less likely a 36 inch, you may be out of luck without some major cabinetry work. Also, all Thermador ovens are electric powered, which is pretty standard, but something to keep in mind if you're one of the few with a pre-existing gas oven. The first choice you'll need to make is between either a single or double oven. This will largely depend on what you're replacing. Next is door swing style. Reaching over a standard oven door to lift out a heavy turkey or roast can be hazardous, especially for shorter people or if you have shorter arms. To improve ergonomics in the kitchen, Thermador conveniently offers both a traditional drop-down oven door or a side swing door. Side swing doors provide easier, safer access to the oven cavity. Just be careful to order the correct door swing, left or right, for your home since it can't be reversed in the field. Thermador also has a number of specialty configurations. One of our most popular options is the combination speed oven. In the top, you get a smaller cavity that gives you a fully functioning oven that also has the ability to be used as a microwave, or use a combination of the 2 technologies to get faster results without losing flavor. The bottom cavity is a fully functioning oven. This is great if you're looking to save space in your kitchen and don't want to have a separate dedicated microwave. And finally, you'll need to choose between Thermador's standard and deluxe feature sets. To appeal to a wider customer base and price point, Thermador offers their oven lineup with a basic feature set and with a deluxe feature set. This isn't exactly clear when you're browsing Thermador.com, so we've added convenient filters on our website to make your shopping process easier. On the single oven, the deluxe upgrade will cost you about $700. However, you'll pick up a ton of great features that we think are well worth the price increase. For starters, all 3 racks on the deluxe oven are smooth, telescoping shelves. The standard only gives you 1 telescopic and 2 standard racks. The deluxe also has a built-in rotisserie motor and cooking mode that makes it easy to get crispy, juicy results. We've cooked a few rotisserie chickens at our showroom using this feature, and the results were easy to attain and delicious. Additionally, deluxe gives you a larger, full-width broiler, whereas the standard broiler only covers about half the width of the oven cavity. And finally, have you ever used your oven's built-in temperature probe and pulled out your roast before it was actually done? The deluxe upgrades you to a multi-point meat probe, which takes the temperature in 3 different spots and won't register as done until all 3 locations are cooked to your desired doneness. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, or stop by one of our New Jersey showrooms just a short drive from New York, featuring the Thermador wall oven lineup on display. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, where we provide helpful tips and advice that will make you an educated appliance shopper.